Fine. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today we are going to learn triangles and its properties. Related to the triangles, we are going to learn. Okay, Rama? So before getting into the concept, let's recall whatever we learned in the lower class. Okay. One which polygon which has only less number of sides? Triangle. What do you mean by polygon? Polygon is made up of line segment which is a closed one, and then we have learned many types of polygons. And how many angles are there? Three angles. How many sides are there? Three. Okay. Now we are getting into the median. What do you mean by median? Any one of you? Median. Yes, Sriram.
It's a
line
from one point to the other side.
Okay. Shall we consider a line from the vertex to the opposite side? Yes. So what is the meaning of median? A line from the
vertex to the opposite
side. And what is the nature of the median? Base into two equal. Yes, very good. And what do you mean by altitude?
Line from a vertex.
Yes, can you please get up, Dhamma?
A line from a vertex that makes a 90-degree at the opposite.
Yes, very good, Rama. The same thing, a line from the vertex to the opposite side, but meet at 90 degree. That is the altitude, and this is the median. We have learned already in the lower class. And how many medians are there in each triangle? Three medians. And how many altitudes? You may think, ma'am, altitude means height. So height means always we have to stand straightly from the base. Am I right? So if you are considering this as a base, this is altitude. Sometimes we can change the base. Suppose I am considering this as a base. Here I can draw the altitude. Suppose I am considering this as a base. Here I can give the altitude. So how many altitudes are there?
Three.
Three altitudes are there. Okay. Now we are going to get into the types of triangles. What are the two divisions when we are coming into the types of triangles?
According to angles.
Yeah, according to the angles and according to the sides. Shall we recall according to the sides first? Yes. Any one of you? Yes, Sabina, can you please say?
Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene.
Yes, my dear. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Good. So first we are going to recall the equilateral triangle. What is the meaning of equilateral triangle? If you know the answer, please raise your hand gently and put up. Yes, Ritesh.
All sides are equal.
All the three sides are equally equilateral triangle. Good. What about isosceles triangle, Papa?
The two sides will be equal.
Yes. Any two sides will be equal. We are not talking about the angles, only the sides. Yes, good. And what about the last triangle? Yes, Bala.
Sides will be not equal.
Yes, the scalene triangle, the sides are not equal. Good. So now we are getting into the types of triangles according to the angles. Yes, and no. Can you please say?
Acute angle triangle.
Yes, acute angle triangle.
Obtuse angle triangle.
Obtuse angle triangle.
Right angle triangle.
Yes, very good. Sit. Now we are going to recall acute angle triangle. What is the nature of acute angle triangle?
One with infinity.
Only one angle?
All the angles.
Yes, all the angles in a particular triangle is less than 90 degree is mandatory. If even one angle is greater than 90 degree, it's not an acute angle triangle. Okay, Rama? Now the next one is a obtuse angle triangle. Yes, Sriram.
Among the three angles, only one angle is greater than 90 degree and other two angles are acute.
Okay, Rama. So let me ask one question. Is it possible to have a two obtuse angle in an obtuse angle triangle?
No.
No. If you have, you won't get a triangle. Yes, Dakshin. What do you mean by right angle triangle?
Where one angle is exactly 90 degree.
Yes. Any one angle is a 90 degree. What about the remaining two angles? Acute angle. Is it possible to have a 290 degrees in a triangle? No. Okay, what is the nature of the sum of the angles in a triangle?
180.
180 degree. Okay, Rama, sum of the interior angle is equal to always 180 degree. Okay. Now, apart from these types of triangles, what are the next concept we learned in the lower class? Pythagoras theorem. Am I right? Theorem in the lower class. Am I right? What is the Pythagoras theorem? State any one of you? Yes, my dear.
In a right hand triangle square, a hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides.
Yes, very good. Give a big clap for him. So Pythagoras theorem is applicable only in right angle triangle. What it says? The square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Now listen here, this one already you learned. I have taken a base as a 3 units and then height as a perpendicular line as a 4 units. So this one we are considering as a square. What is a 4 into 4?
16.
16. What is 3 into 3? 9. So can you please add 16 plus 9?
25.
Okay. Now here hypotenuse. What is the unit of the hypotenuse? 5. 5. 25. Are you getting? That's why we learn in the lower class C square is equal to A square plus B square. Now can you please say again the Pythagoras theorem, any one of you? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Okay, Rama? So these are the concepts we learn in the lower class. We are going to use all these concepts and then only we are going to proceed further. Okay, Rama? So let's meet in the next class. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.